If you're still thinking IT jobs are future-proof, think again. In the next 10 years, it's not going to be humans handling the bulk of IT work. Instead, autonomous AI systems like Optimus V, managed by lean, hyper-efficient MSPs, will quietly take over. Let me break it down. Device patching? That's already done by AI. Monitoring and remediation? Handled entirely by MSP dashboards. And Tier 1 support? AI chatbots now resolve 80% of support tickets before a human even gets involved. This isn't some distant science fiction. This is the strategic roadmap of tech giants, Microsoft, Dell, Tesla, all shifting away from traditional IT teams and doubling down on agentic AIs. Instead of hiring more admins, they're deploying smart software that works around the clock, never sleeps, and never calls in sick. So, what used to take a full IT department? Soon, it'll be the job of one managed service provider, one AI, and one dashboard. That's it. And what does this mean for IT professionals? It's not the end, but it's definitely a new beginning. The industry isn't dying. It's being reborn. Smart businesses are already adapting, downsizing legacy IT, partnering with MSPs, and investing heavily in automation. It all comes down to one thing. The future isn't about who you hire. It's about what you integrate. So, if you're wondering how your business can prepare, or maybe even pivot before it's too late, reach out. Let's talk about what the next 3 years will really look like and how you can get ahead of the curve. Don't get left behind. The IT world is changing, and it's changing fast. Thanks for watching.